Let me show you how to reset that service required message on the DIC. It's very simple on a 2025 Kia Telluride. So you go here to the radio in the screen, you push setup right here. That will take you to the main menu. You go to vehicle. Okay, you scroll all the way till you see convenience. Okay, you scroll here, it will say service interval. You push that, and then you scroll till you see reset right here. And you confirm that. And there you go, service interval has been reset. This is valid for any year between 22, 23, 24, and 25. I hope this helps. If this helps, please like and subscribe.